Welcome. Today we're going to do Unit Circle Part 4 and specifically SOHCAHTOA. So let's look at these triangles here. We have a triangle at A. It's a 90-degree triangle with the other angles as 30 and 60 degrees. And the lengths of each side are, well, the side closest to 30 is square root of 3. You can always remember that because they both have 3 in them. That's always a nice memory jogger there. The other side is 1 and the hypotenuse is 2. In triangle at B, we have also a 90-degree triangle, but the other angles are 45 and 45. And the sides are 1 and 1, and the hypotenuse is square root of 2. And you can always use the Pythagorean theorem to prove that this is the case. So let's see how SOHCAHTOA is going to help us out. So first of all, SOHCAHTOA, 3 parts. In A, you have SOH, and that stands for sine is equal to the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. In B, we have the second part of SOHCAHTOA, CAH, and that's cosine is equal to the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. In C, we have the last part of SOHCAHTOA, TOA, and that stands for tangent is equal to opposite side divided by the adjacent side. Okay, so how are we going to use all this? Well, let's look at an example in G. Sine of 60 degrees. What is that? Well, since we're dealing with sine, we're dealing with the SOH part of SOHCAHTOA, which stands for sine is equal to the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. So, select the triangle that has 60 degree in its angle, which is triangle D. And if we look at the opposite side to 60 degrees, we have square root of 3, and the hypotenuse is 2. So square root of 3 divided by 2 is our answer. That's what the sine of 60 degrees is. Now when we did unit circle, 60 is the same as pi over 3, and sine of pi over 3 is also square root of 3 over 2. Another example, what if we're looking for the cosine of 30 degrees? Well, you would go to triangle D, go to 30 degrees, and you'd use the CAH part of SOHCAHTOA. So the cosine is the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. Well, what's adjacent to 30 degrees? Well, it's square root of 3. Hypotenuse is 2, and the answer is square root of 3 over 2. And that's unit circle part 4. Now go practice, practice, and practice some more.